Hello people, welcome back to my channel, and to those who are new, welcome to the family. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Tantour cream to powder contour powders. It's really interesting that she's decided to make cream contours and not create a highlighter and cream palette, kind of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, because that's honestly what I thought she might have done. But regardless, we're going to go for this, we're going to review it, and then I'm going to give you my opinion. So before I get started into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of good content coming your way. So let's get started in this video. Up so you can have a look. She always has really cool PR packages, as you might have seen from other videos that I've done on my page. These individually are £26, and you can get them from Cult Beauty, you can get them from Selfridges if you're from London, and if you're international you can get them from Sephora. So pretty accessible, I would say, and they come in 5 shades. So you've got fair, light, medium, tan and rich, and I like that the colors actually go so dark so that everyone can kind of use it. So I am going to use the medium again, but what I didn't use was the brush last time, so I'm going to be using the brush that it comes with. I've already obviously got foundation on. I didn't put any contour on or anything like that, and I'm waiting to put my highlighter on, so let's just pop this bad boy on. So I think medium is a pretty good colour for me. Quite happy with that colour. It is very creamy. Can you see it just literally like goes on? And in comparison to like the Fenty stick, it's a lot creamier. Gonna put some down my nose. Okay. On my forehead. Okay, so I'm going to start to buff it out now with the fluffy side. It says put it on with the stumpy side and then brush it out with this side. So okay, that brushed out quite nicely, didn't it? Okay. So it does brush out super easy, to be fair. Very lightweight kind of product. When I say lightweight, I mean it just kind of blends in quite easily. Sometimes with contouring products, it can be very difficult, like you're really working it. But with this, it seems pretty easy to do. I don't have to put like too much effort in to make it kind of blend with the rest of my foundation, which is good. It's a good sign. And I'm not mad at the colour. I think the colour is quite nice, actually. I'm going to go in and just add a little bit more because I want to see how strong I can get this. Yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it? Now I'm going to put on a highlighter because obviously these Tantour products are just for tanning and contouring. There aren't any highlight products, as I said. So I'm just going to put on my, this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer, an oldie but a goodie. And I'm just going to put that on. So I literally can't believe that she's got like this many products out within such a short space of time. Like, does this woman sleep? Like, literally? I really like how easily they blend, but I am kind of sitting here wishing that like it almost came with like a powder or a highlighter. Like, I feel like it would have been great if it came with something, so it could have been like a duo kind of situation, if you know what I mean. Like, so contour and highlight or whatever. Like for £26 just to get a contour dish, I don't know if I would spend the money on it, if you know what I mean. Like this is £26, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour and highlight palette, the cream one, is like £42. So for £10 more, you can get like 3 highlighting shades, 3 contouring shades all in one palette. So if you think of it like that, I do think £26 is maybe a little bit pricey for this type of product. And then again, it does blend beautifully, and according to the website, it is waterproof and sweat proof as well, which I don't think the Anastasia one is. But then again, the Fenty contour stick is £21, and I did find that one harder to blend out. So it just depends how you look at things, really, to be honest. But if you're gonna contour, you need a highlight, right? That's why I kind of like when they sell highlighting and contouring products together. I wouldn't need to add any powder on top of that. I am going to, but I wouldn't necessarily need to. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. I mean, to be fair, it doesn't sit on your skin like a cream, which is good. I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collab for this one. This is such a beautiful highlighter, guys. Oh. For my lips, I'm going to be using, I'm going to combo the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie and the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Just because, you know, one gives me a beautiful shine. That's the gloss one. And the Fortune Cookie gives me that kind of highlight that I love in the middle of my lips. Okay, cool. So this is what it looks like. Now, it is a very easy product to manipulate. It's very lightweight. It blends in super, super easy. And then it does kind of set as a powder, which I really, really liked, because sometimes when I use a cream contour palette, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, for example, it does set like a cream. So it's almost like you need to set it with a translucent powder or bronzer or something. Otherwise, it looks like your kind of like cheeks are a bit dewy, which is weird if you set like the middle of your face. So I did like them in that respect. I do feel like it would have been great if there was like half highlight, half contour maybe. Then I feel like we would have got a bit more use out of the product, because I think £26 for one cream contour color is a bit dear. Just a little bit, because I honestly think, like, would I spend the money on this product? Do you know what I mean? The Fenty Beauty Stick is £21. I do find that one a lot harder to blend out than this though. So if you were going to spend the money for £5 more, you can get something that's super blendable and waterproof. Beverly Hills cream contour palettes are like £45. But then you get 6 colors in there. So it really just depends on your expert level. It depends what you want to do with your makeup. I feel like if you currently don't have anything to cream contour with, then these would be a perfect addition to the kit, because you can just get one and it's very simple and very easy. Whereas with the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, it is kind of like you have to buy all 6 or you don't get any. So I guess there was definitely a space in the market for something like this. I think they are very blendable for what they're advertised to do. They do the job. I mean, my face looks freaking sculpted for the gods, so it's definitely achieved that for sure. Is it a product I could live without? Probably, because I tend to be someone that bronzes more with powders. But I feel like if this is something that you're excited about, then it is definitely a good product. Like, it hasn't disappointed me at all. I'm actually surprised at how easily it blends and how lightweight the formula is, because a lot of Huda's products, like her foundation and concealer, are quite thick and full pigment coverage. So I thought that this was going to be kind of like uncontrollable, but it's actually quite refreshing to find that it is quite lightweight and it does blend super easily on the skin. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you think it's beautiful, if you have any questions about the formula or anything like that, make sure you put them in the comments below. I think it's great. like I said, I'm not really a cream contour kind of gal anyway, but you never know, now that these bad boys are out, you might see me cream contouring a lot more. Really hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in my next one.